Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of tearing down the injection pump on the 7610. I got my very nice Torx or hex socket from Torx Tools on my N.R.T. I don't know if I think I'm gonna rebuild the injection pump. I don't think I'm gonna replace it. So I'm tearing it down. I got some welding to do on the housing of it, and then I'll probably see. I'm not exactly sure if the 7610 came with a different injection pump or if they're all the same. So I gotta look into that, make sure I get the right injection pump rebuilt up. And I'll definitely be turning it up on old 7610 so we get some. So we piss off the keyboard warriors. And I'll tell you what, guys, last night I got the damn fucking bearing out of their differential housing. I'll tell you what, that damn thing did not want to come out. I was cussing at the damn thing. That's how frustrating it was. Now that damn frickin' won't come off. But we got this. Come on, you dirty bastard. And of course these damn things that having a heck of a time getting apart won't come apart. Which is usually how it fucking goes. You take something apart and then you get something else on it and boom. They look like them stinking. You can smell the diesel come out of this thing. The Unix there. Okay, got it out. Yeah, you can see that injection pump was due for a rebuild. There's rust in it and all types of crap. And surprisingly, this thing wasn't under power. I mean, it had power. It just wasn't happy about it. But we'll probably be making multiple videos on this subject. I wonder if I get new springs. But all them parts need to get ultrasonic cleaned. Should get ultrasonic cleaner for in here, but I got one done at the ATV shop, so I ain't on the list to get unless, hey, a company wants to send me one. I'll take another one, but and that's what we're talking about. I just did that damn thing again. Or damn metal broke off and shot in my damn finger. That's why I say be careful. Gonna have a fun time getting that out later. Yeah, that's why, you know, you put so much force on stuff and it breaks, and you know. Yeah, I had a fun time digging the last one out of my thumb. I'm gonna have a fun time doing that, but you just gotta be a little more careful. And I think if I was wearing my Port West gloves, probably wouldn't have happened. But that's what it is. I probably should go get that out. So, and there ain't much more I can do. I don't know if there's a special tool in order to remove these dang things on the top, or I just need to tighten down the vice grips more or something. But these damn things won't come apart. I need to get all that apart, and then from there, come on now. Okay, that's not going to work, so I need to find a wrench for that. So, and then I need to also pull this bearing off, pull a couple parts off. So I'll be making a couple more videos of this. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.